Hello, and welcome to our video series about our Matchbox collection. This is another design from HomArt, our preferred Matchbox provider, and it is called Intervals of Sevenths Rainbow. I just call it watercolor circles. All HomArt Matchboxes have a match striker strip on the side, and the boxes are about 4.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. The matches are just under 4 inches tall. And this design is unique because the matches are a rainbow of colors as opposed to just one. And here are some more for some other boxes that we opened. It's not all colors. It's 5 colors. I think we have orange, yellow, green, red, and it looks blue, but it's really more like a deep, dark teal. So some things to keep in mind for your projects, especially if you're going to use these matches with the medley of colors. It's not the same amount of colors in each box. That varies. And there's an average of, I want to say 43 matches per box. We've seen some as low as 40 per box. Some are higher, around 45. So there are about 43 matches per box. You want to get a few extra for your projects. And then also remember that the match tip color can always vary. It can be a little bit lighter in some boxes, a little bit darker in other boxes. Match boxes always make a great gift. You can always pair them with candles or incense or cigars for a great housewarming gift or hostess gift or a birthday gift. Thank you very much for watching.